Well, and I'm sure in Tehama County people say hi.
I mean, you're just less likely to run into this. You're at a place.
Yeah.
Suburban, vibes that you see like, kind of outlying areas. Like, you want to apply when you're like, yeah, back in the Bay Area. What's it? I said Bay Area Metro.
Yeah. Yeah.
Quite like the sort of cultural vibe is quite further you are from the right, like on whole area.
Yes, I don't know. I feel like what would I say? I just feel like moving to a place where you're not overwhelmed by the number of people who's like friendly or
Yeah, that's true. I had this interaction with a captain who I worked for a ship a couple weeks ago. I figured I was some guy to mention. I figured out this right now, and they put all that affordable housing on the bottom and destroyed the character. Like, what are you talking?
Yeah.
Like, you know, zero obsessive perspective.
Yeah. That's terrible. Well, it's funny because like I work at this public garden. I work with a lot of old people that are volunteers there, and they are they're always like, it's a hellhole, like it's a horror show. How can you live there? And it's like, actually, no problem. I mean, I always say it's a gold rush color, always. It's a bus cycles. It's a bus cycle right now.
That's actually a
Please hold on.
good way to put it.
Yeah.
I mean, I've also even heard, like, I heard actually here in the United States, are like a political society. And, so you can kind of like, so you get to kind of recycle the product and the way that it's like tied to the land and to these underpopulated like rural areas and kind of the way that affects affects overall economic changes.
Right. Yeah. Oh, I can absolutely.
Please hold on. Doctor. Doors are opening.
So, maybe I'll just wait out. Take a while.
Please hold on.
top move for Thanksgiving.
Doors are opening.
Yes, I had never, like, when, you know, when you don't know anybody who's really lost their mind, you're like, oh, I'm losing my mind. You don't remember shit, right?